Good morning. So I was asked to come back and take a look at a couple things at a neighbor's house for a possible new project. And so I installed this project about, I don't know, 4 years ago. And I just want to show you why you should choose pavers. And 4 years later, concrete, it's cracking. This isn't. Hold on. So on this project, probably 4 years ago, installed it. This is Bella and Toscana. I haven't power washed it, and the homeowner hasn't either. But it does not look bad. Paver stones are beautiful. The Bella and Toscana color from Belgard is rich in color, totally structurally sound. They have 3 cars that are on this all the time. And the walk to the front door is peaceful with all of the succulents, the flowers, and the colors that truly balance with the pavers. And a couple steps with the step lights, and let's head back. So this is a backyard. Again, Catalina Grana, Toscana, and Bella. And then we also built the wall, and it's also has a bunch of step lights underneath of it, wall lights. So this way at nighttime it's all lit up. So as come into the backyard, this backyard is peaceful. Has a barbecue, has the whole setup for the family. There's also a setup over here, the step up for the fire pit. And then we also used Urbona in Toscana and Bella all the way around. And this is done. I mean, you will never do this again. They will never do this again. And this is why you want to pick, with a dog inside getting upset with me, this is why you want to pick paver stones. Lifetime guarantee from crack, air, and breaking. That means for the ownership of the house. And then there's always a workmanship guarantee. But this is beautiful. So peaceful, quiet, and the before pictures on this I have to find to show you in the beginning. Stunning. Total difference. Just amazing. This was a backyard. It was not a usable backyard, but it was a backyard. Anyway, Dave Pratt on this, and I will post the other photos. I have to find them. It's been about 4 years ago. So 714-588-8634. One last look at peace and just calmness in your backyard. Wouldn't you love to party back here? Anyway, I'm out.